Para bilis.
A wise man named Neil Donald Walsh said, "Life begins at the end of your comfort zone."
Unang naramdaman ko nung nag-Spartan Race ako, medyo kinakabahan at natatakot syempre kasi yung mga obstacles na ginagawa dito nung dinidescribe sa akin. Pero nung tapos na yung race, kaya ko pala. Ina-expect ko sa race na to, syempre hindi pa rin mawala yung medyo mahirap, pero sa tingin ko mas magiging exciting tong race ngayon.
I heard Enoch said, "There was this bird with one leg, and I realized that no one is ever going to tell that bird that it's disabled. It will just live its life and continue what it does, not knowing anything is different."
Kaya ako sumali dito sa Spartan Race ngayon dahil na-challenge ako. Gusto kong subukan sa ganitong activity naman. Iba sa pagpanik ng bundok.
Like I said before, there are few things to learn or take notice when doing a race.
Yung sa Spartan, wala akong idea totally. Yung napanood ko lang talaga is yung kay Gerard. Nag-search na ako kung ano ba yung Spartan, ano ba yung mga obstacle, gaano kalayo, ano ba yung mga part niya, mga category.
Sa ngayon, ninenervyos ako, kinakabahan ako, at nag-e-excite dahil ito yung una kong pagkakataon na subukan yung ganitong aktibidad.
What's up? How are you doing?
Been a while.
Hello.
Hello. Good luck. These boys have shown some commitment. When they knew what they were getting into, they knew what they have to do to be somewhat how prepared.
Woo! Just finished this. Me and Ron over there. Where's Ron? Okay. Aru! Okay. Here are the VIPs. They're with me. That's Mon, Alex, and Gerald again. He did sprint last time. He did sprint again, but the sprint now is tougher than before. And he's gonna coach these guys. Yep. All confident. Rock on. Okay, here's the start line. Musta, Alex?
Nakaban.
Mon, musta?
Nervyos. Excited.
Here it is. Power.
Spartan, what is your promotion?
If you look it up, Spartan Sprint Race, a 5-kilometer run with more than 20 obstacles in between that will change your life. It's a perfect distance for first-time racers starting their Spartan journey. And here we go. The race is fun, but no one said it's going to be that easy. The obstacles will surely require you to use every inch of your body. It's hard. It's going to hurt. Sometimes can be bloody. And we somewhat how liked and asked for it.
Nice one.
I think we should not think about why we can't do it. I think we should think about how we can do it. Alex was born with a missing leg. According to his mom, she misused some medicines that caused some complications with her pregnancy. Decades after, Alex doesn't think it hinders him from living a life. To this date, he has climbed more than 30 mountains. In 1995, Mon lost his leg due to osteosarcoma. It's a type of bone cancer, and the only way for him to beat it is to amputate his leg. As you always say, I'm just losing my leg and not my whole self. He couldn't say or do it any better. He continues to pursue adventure to the mountains and into the sea.
Nung nalaman ko nasasali sina Kuya Mon at Kuya Alex, natuwa rin ako kasi syempre nakaya ko noon, kaya rin nila.
If you ask them if they ever imagined doing this, they said no, but they are more than glad that they did, and they couldn't be more happier and more fulfilled. few hours of hardship is nothing compared to the length of relationship we had with each other. This was a test. Real friends show up for each other, especially when it's the dumbest, hardest, and most painful thing you've ever done. Sometimes, your friends are your heroes.
Sa mga kagaya kung may mga kapansanan, mas mabuting tumuklas ng mga bagong aktibidad, kagaya ng mga ganitong event, at may pakita natin na yung ginagawa ng mga able person, kaya din natin.
When you're a kid, they tell you can do anything. Most people stop believing that at some point. These people never stopped. Maybe you shouldn't either.
One, two,